Imagine walking down the beach, but instead of sand, there is plastic. And out of the whole beach, we can only get rid of this little cube. Mexico produces 125,000 tons of styrofoam per year, and only 0.1% of it gets recycled. It's not only highly polluting, but also very harmful and hard to get rid of. We can find it everywhere buildings, food, and packaging. It is usually used once for 20 minutes until we empty it, for it to take 500 years to decompose. We need 20 years to reduce what we produce in 1 year. But don't worry, because we have the solution. And it starts with a little insight that can change the industry. We are ReMake, a biotech startup funded by Gerardo Aranda and me, Boris Copado, with the help of a crew, Sebastián Aguilar and Zuleika Salazar, and the rest of the team. Now we present you the star of our team, the mealworm. This insect has a superpower digesting styrofoam and turning it into a bioplastic.
In ReMake, the things everybody will consider garbage for us is our raw material. Our business model is based on the concept of circular economy, where company's styrofoam is our fuel to raise worms, and these are the principal ingredient to synthesize our bioplastic. It can be made to the client touch, from a supermarket plastic bag to a plastic cutlery. Our principal target are companies like Bimbo, Barcel, or Blitz.
This plastic is made out of chitin, a component found on the worm's skin. Its chemical properties can kill bacteria and fungi. After being used, it turns into a compostable resource. That's why our main markets are food producers and food packaging enterprises that use single-use plastics, as this plastic can increase shelf life up to 2 weeks, reducing both monetary loss and food waste. And that's how we turn styrofoam into plastic.
We have been working on this enterprise for 2 years. It started as a simple idea, and now it's evolving into something bigger than us. We are currently in the incubation process at the Institute of Entrepreneurship at Tecnológico de Monterrey. We have already developed a functional prototype of a mealworm farm, and we are also a couple months away from developing 4 types of bioplastic.
We are conscious of the demand for plastics, but we can assure you that we can cover that demand, due to the fact that just a pair of beetles can produce up to 300 worms. The value of our business model is that we use residues as our raw material, and we have a direct impact on the plastic industry that is expected to grow $29.7 million in 2026. And we will have a direct impact on health and biotech enterprises in the future.
ReMake's innovative approach directly contributes to Sustainable Development Goals number 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, and 13, Climate Action. By converting styrofoam waste into bioplastic, we mitigate the environmental impact of traditional plastics, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting a more sustainable and resilient future for our planet.
ReMake has the potential to impact the single-use plastic sectors, which represents about 50% of the plastic production, therefore reducing the impact on health, pollution, and environmental life.
ReMake is the alternative to traditional plastic, ushering in the generation of sustainable, innovative, and technological advanced bioplastic. At ReMake, we work with the union of biological factors with the technology, and we see problems as new solutions. We represent research, creativity, and innovation in creating value from society's greatest challenge. ReMake is a biotechnology company that aims not only to transform the plastic industry, but also to transcend how we produce and use waste. The story of ReMake begins with a simple worm, and it will end with a revolution of how we conceive the industry. So what's waiting Hult Spice for to join the revolution of the industry, one worm at a time?